I've been tricked before by these. I've seen these things then pop up into the order pool, screw around up there for a while, and then finally get down and do that.
Forex Morning Mayhem is a must-listen podcast for currency traders. Get a curated watch list, insightful market analysis, and crucial news updates, plus trading tips for all levels. But remember, it's educational, not investment advice. Scan the QR code in the description to join our free Trade Faction Slack channel for live trade calls. If you like the podcast, please follow and share. Let's get started.
Good morning. It's July 21st, 2025, and this is Forex Morning Mayhem. Let's see what's happening in the news today. Japanese PM Ishiba vowed to stay on, despite his coalition losing its upper house majority, weakening his position amid opposition pressure. EU envoys may formalize a US trade retaliation plan this week. European stocks edge lower, US futures rise with RTY leading. JPY gains post-election, DXY dips, EUR steady, bonds firm on Japan results, crude trades choppy, base metals supported by China's dam projects. Focus turns to Canadian PPI, US leading index, BOC SCE, NZ trade data, and earnings from Verizon, Domino's, and Cleveland Cliffs. If you find this podcast useful, please like and subscribe to the show. If you are new to trading, check out the Trade Faction, a totally free resource where you can watch our trades live. Also, don't forget to download our new Forex AI Sage app in the Apple App Store to use the latest in agentic AI to help you trade. Now, let's join Bill and Dave for today's show.
Let's look at the currency pairs for today. So, what do we have here? Let me see. Looks like this is the Aussie-US dollar. We are currently in an uptrend, but we have just had a momentum peak signal here, which we are backing off from a little bit. Volume is normal, so this is strong, and it's a bullish trend, and it's pretty strong. We are in the middle of the RSI right here. We did break out from the Keltners right here, so this would have been a nice place to go long and catch that little blip up. Overhead resistance is way up there. Let me zoom out.
There's a few baby ones.
Okay. So anyway, that looks, it's going to go do a little wavy pattern here sideways for a little while. Moving on to US Canadian dollar. Definitely in a downward market trend here. We broke out of the Keltner right about here. That's where the alert fired off. So you could have gone short here and rode that down a little bit. This is the one I was trading earlier this morning. Made a little bit of money. You'll notice that we are approximately right where all the momentum peaks were before. Looks like we bounced off those because prices moved back here, came down here and bounced back up. Current trend is still down, but you might be able to re-enter on a pullback here and have another opportunity to scalp some pips out of this baby.
Are you an active trader looking to elevate your trading skills? We invite you to join the Trade Faction, a community where you can witness trades called out live. To connect with fellow traders and gain real-time insights, simply click the link in the description or scan the QR code to join our free Slack channel. This is a great opportunity to enhance your trading strategies and stay ahead of the market. Also, don't forget to download our new Forex AI Sage app in the Apple App Store to use the latest in agentic AI to help you trade. So what are you waiting for? Click that link or scan the QR code now and download the app today.
US Chief, what are we doing here? The same thing almost exactly that US CAD was doing. We are definitely in a downtrend. We have pulled down to previous momentum peaks. Right at the moment, we bounced off those and are pulling back here. So the Keltners are still pointing to the downside. All the signals, you got a lot of volume here. And you've got a strong trend to the downside, and you got a little room left in the RSI. So On a reversal here, you might be able to take that short again and grab a couple of pips there. Pound US dollar, which is the reversey of everything elsey. We have strong trend to the upside, volumes high. We just hit a momentum peak a little while ago, earlier in the morning. The only thing that I would be cautious of here is we're butting up against overhead resistance. Got a big order pool right here. It's already rolled over, but I've been tricked before by these. I've seen these things then pop up into the order pool, screw around up there for a while, and then finally get down and do that. Just be cautious. I wouldn't dive in short here, is what I'm saying. You might miss a little bit of a run, but I'm guessing the price is going to do that, and it's going to do that. So that if you could get in here when that thing rolls over, that's a better trade than trying to get in here and then having to live with all that anxiety here. That's what I call an anxiety stop.
Yeah.
And then head
Yeah,
back
I'd wait till
down.
after New York and
Yep.
see what they do.
Yep.
It'll either
And
put it up or
yeah, that's right. And other than that, I don't think there's much going on today. I don't think there's like any news.
no. It is. It's the quiet zone.
Yeah, there's nothing worth paying attention. Australia has their Fed meeting tonight at 8:30. But other than that, it is pretty sleepy today. Time to
quiet.
get a good book and just or a good science fiction movie and fall asleep on the couch.
Yeah, that's it.
That's my idea of a good time.
Yeah.
All right. That's all I got, Dave. How
All
about
right. Enjoy your day. Happy
all right, you
trading.
too? Have
Or happy
fun.
sleeping.
Yeah, no kidding.